Fish on. Fish on. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Alright. Woohoo! Frogfish. Look at that, look at that. Scum frog. Scum frog. Yeah. Scum frog. Alright. There we go. Yeah. 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 Nice 4-pounder or so. I don't know. We'll check. We will check. It's pretty difficult to get that out. Nice hook set. Yeah! Yeah! Absolutely beautiful fish. Yeah! I'm so happy. Alright. Alright, let's get a weight. 4 pounds, 14 ounces. 4 pounds, 14 ounces. Almost a 5-pounder. Alright. Yeah. It's like 19 and a half. 19 and a half. Let's let it go. Woohoo! 4 pounds. What was it? 14 ounces. Woo! Yeah. Frogfish. Come on here, scum frog. Scum frog. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're good. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Don't know how big. Don't know if it's hooked good. Yeah. Spinnerbait fish. Yeah. Grass off of it. Dirt from the kayak off of it. Nice fish. 2 pounds, 2.5. Woohoo! Almost 3. 2 pounds, 13 ounces. 2 pounds, 13 ounces on the spinnerbait. On a big spinnerbait. Alright. Show them to this camera. Yeah. No. Froggies. Woohoo! Yeah. Go like that. And away he goes. Fish on. Fish on the frog. Yeah. Little guy eating the frog. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I get this frog out of you. Let's see, one hook it in. There we go. Yeah! That little guy. Wow. Alright. Flat belly. Alright. There we go. Fish on. Trolling the spinnerbait. Yeah. Woohoo! Look at that. Little guy. Spinner. Fat fish. Yeah. Good like pounding, huh? Very fat. Very fat. There we go. Oh, got up.